Hello friends, it's AYUSH Gupta and today we will be doing the hands-on and the first impression of the JioPhone 4G. So let's get started. When you open the back panel you get this battery and it is a 2000 milliampere battery and you can also insert a micro SD card up to 128 GB and Geo SIM. The device take around 1 minute to boot up. So let's get started with the physical overview. On the top you get the speaker and on the right side you get the selfie camera and the screen. There are many buttons. On the right you get USB port and on the top you get the torch, and on the left side there is nothing here, and on the bottom you get the 3.5 mm audio jack. When you see the back panel you will get the Jio Money branding here and life branding, the grill for speaker and camera. The camera is a 2 megapixel camera, VGA camera. That is how the home screen looks like. And let me just show you the apps. It has got all the Jio apps like Jio Music, Jio TV and Jio Cinema and many more. You can also download some more apps through Jio Store like Facebook, WhatsApp and other Jio apps. You can just long press the up button and the torch will be turned on to use in low light conditions. Let me just go to the settings and you get uh, connectivity connectivity and network settings like airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, geolocations, and you can also personalize your device. You can change sound of ringtone. You can adjust the brightness level and more, and you get a private privacy and security settings. In this you can set locks, sim. You can also change the settings of browser privacy, and on the storage you get around 512 MB of RAM and around 2 GB of ROM, and the device the company do provide software updates for the phone. So this is the camera app. Let me just show you the features of this device. And the pictures are quite good for this price tag of 1500 rupees, and the selfie camera is also there, and you can just select it from here the options. You get a rear camera, front camera option, and self timer and many more, some basic settings on the camera app. So this is the sample of front camera. As you can see, it takes a decent photo. So you also get the Jio game application. You can also download some of the games available in market for this device. So that was the quick hands-on and first impression of the Jio phone. Stay tuned for the next video and like, share and subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching.